Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Outset, I welcome all of you to the Department of MCA and being a part of this department, I congratulate each one of you as a part of our family. Okay, myself, Shiv Kumar, for first semester MCA, I am taking the course Research Methodology and IPR, Intellectual Property Rights. So, uh, my area of work is I'm basically from Karnataka base, Bellary district. I did my BSc Computer Science and completed MCA in MHA College of Engineering in the year 2003 and 7. And also currently I'm pursuing the PhD in the area of cyber security. My area of specialization is data security. So, since 2009, I was here around, this is my 13th year of experience in this BMS IT. This about myself. Would like to hear you, each one of you, you keep on your video and introduce yourself. So then I will start discussing about the course content today. I'm the class teacher for first year students also. Rupak, can you introduce yourself? Yes. I'm not audible. Check with your mic. No, not it. No, I'm unable to hear you. Do one thing, Rupak Datta, check with your mic. I'm not audible. By that time, I'll ask some other student. Yeah, yeah, check with. No. So, some of you introduce yourself. Divya Ram. Quickly do it. We will try to cover today introduction part of a research methodology course. Rupak.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Am I audible now?
Yes, you are now audible.
I guess network issues. I guess.
Yeah. Introduce
Yes,
yourself.
I'm Rupak Datta from Shillong, Meghalaya. I've completed my BCA from Techno India University, which is a private university in Calcutta.
Okay. BCA we have completed, right?
BCA, yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Next student, Sri Vishnu.
Hello, sir. My name is Sri Vishnu. I have completed my BCA from Sheshadripuram College, Tumkur.
Tumkur. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Thank you. Uh, Divya Ram.
Hello, sir. I'm Divya.
I'm from Ballari. I completed my BCA in Hubli, sir. KUD University.
Fine. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Sushma.
Hello, sir. I'm Sushma from Bijapur. I completed my BCA in Chetna College from Rani Chennamma University.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Anag. Prakash.
Hello sir, I'm Anagha. I'm from Raichur. I completed my BCA in Ballari, VSKD University.
Fine. Thank you. Rashmi, she is in travel. Next, Akrut. Unmute and talk. Speak, Akrut.
Sir,
Yeah. Introduce yourself.
myself. Sir, I am from BSc.
Gandhini.
Good morning, sir. I am Sugandhini Aradhya from Kanakpura. I have completed my BCA in Surana College, South End Circle.
Who else? The student. Kaushik.
Good morning, sir. Myself from Kaushik. Commitment BCA in Jnana Vikas Institute of Technology, Birji, sir, in Bangalore University.
Okay. Okay. Asha. Fine. Everybody joins. We will continue. First, we require to know each other. You will feel comfortable. Yes. Everybody is there to introduce yourself. Okay. Fine. 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 Okay. Today, mute your Anagha, mute your audio. Otherwise, it creates a noise. If any questions in between, you can ask me. Later, my focus is at the end of the current class, you can ask the questions, right? So have a in between. This video will be shared among you also. So in between, want to note down some of the websites which I'm going to refer to. Jot it down. Okay. Anagha, mute your mic. Fine. So I think presentation is visible. Presentation is yes.
Yes, sir.
So I wish
Thank
you all happy new year. So welcome to Department of MCA BMS ITM. You are in a safe hand, and here you are going to learn a lot of things in these 2 years of your journey. Okay. Fine. There is a quote called as "necessity is the mother of invention." Probably you heard this quote during your childhood days itself. Is it true or false? Here, this course is not a non-technical. It's a course of non-technical, but we are embedding some of the content of technical in this course. If you want to reply, do you agree with this or not? This necessity is the mother of invention. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Definitely. So, so when you think about joining BMSIT, that is a necessity for become a software engineer. When you start
Sir.
necessity, when it comes to your mind, when you started searching and asking your senior students, asking your neighborhoods which college is better to join for MC, etc. Also, you've done a lot of research for joining to the BMSIT, right? You agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, with this quote, the current semester research methodology is going to be taught. The another quote which was given by Thomas Edison, famous scientist, he was given the quote that again there is a statement: anything that won't sell, I don't want to invent. It's a sale is proof of utility, and utility is success. What exactly it is going to tell you? Yes, obviously, no doubt you are going to become a software engineer or the MCA professional, master degree professional. No doubt at all. After 2 years down the line, definitely you will be awarded as a post graduation engineer or the uh, master graduate. But when you add the value to your degree, then only you are going to become a success. What value? Today, whatever you do today, it won't returns a single rupee. If it won't return a single rupee for whatever today you are going to do, then is it become success? See, Thomas Edison measured success in terms of sales. Today, if you are buying a mobile phone, right? Which is the mobile phone you are buying most frequently? The student community. Which mobile phone you are buying usually?
So Androids.
Android.
It's
Android. Android smartphone. Which company make?
MI,
Samsung, Redmi, Realme.
MI,
Right?
Apple.
Apple. But Apple is only limited community buyers are there for the Apple, but Android is more, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Yeah. So most of the student community, they are going with the Android-based phones. The cost vary between 10 to 20,000. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? Because in Android, most of the features which is supported in iPhone also supported in this Android phones. So even cost also effective. So you can think of the Oppo is success in the market. MI is successfully selling their products in the market.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Any product-based company, if they are quoting their success, when they will quote their success? When they are able to reach the end customer, right? So they are quoting the sales increase as their success. In the same way, after down the line of 2 years, if you are declaring you as a successful, on what measure or on what benchmark you are setting yourself when you want to become a success? What is your benchmark? What's your benchmark? Tomorrow you are going to become success, right? For the successful thing, what's your benchmark? What is your target? After getting job is successful, after getting married is successful, after achieving so and so accolades is successful. What is your benchmark? What is your goal? What is your aim? When you say I am the success, Darshan,
Yeah,
when you say you are the success,
when I achieve something good, which is
yes, continue. Good means what?
which is
Good is
appreciated by others. Hello.
sorry, there was a network issue. So, according to the Thomas Edison, if he invent new, either it may be a product or the process. Either it may be a product or the process. Invention. If he do the invention, that product or the process, we can think of the product as of now. If it reaches to the maximum number of people in this globe or the world, obviously the inventor definitely will get a returns of it in terms of royalty. In terms of royalty. So Thomas Edison, always thinking in that direction. Thomas Edison thinking in that direction, such that if he is able to sell to the maximum number of people in this world, then he is measuring his success is his work of success is the sales. Getting? So presentation is visible now.
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Visible. Fine. I hope I made you little clear about the measurement of success in invention. So why I'm telling this one invention? Because research it exists imbibe all the human bodies from day to day itself. Suppose if you want to do new something, first definitely we are going to search something. Tomorrow you are going to do projects, right? Based on your interest, of interest your. Once if you have chosen the problem, you are trying to provide a solution the problem select. Fine. Let's move on to the narrow down to course rather than wider discussion. Research methodology and intellectual property rights, your course title. Short form we call it as RM and IPR, abbreviated as. Course code is 20 MCA. The course coordinator for this course. My details are given here. Have my contact number and the email ID for future correspondence. And with another quote to start, characteristic of good researcher is continuous and consistent effort. Do you agree? Characteristics of good researcher is continuous and consistent effort. If you are not continuously putting your effort, and if you are not putting consistent effort, you won't achieve anything in your proven. And the course details are here as below. Course title is Research Methodology and Intellectual Property Rights, RM and IPR. Course code 20 MCA 15. Credits as given because you are following the CBCS system, credits based choice system. For this course, they have given the credits is 2 points. Total number of teaching hours is total 50 hours. We are going to take this. Teaching learning process is teaching means from my end 3 hours of teaching will be there, and remaining 20 hours is for seminar you are going to. Course internal examination, that is internal assessment test, what we call as IA test. It will be for 40 marks. And semester 3 internal tests will be. Semester end examination is there, SEC, called as external examination. VTU examinations, 60 marks. 60 marks internal, external is 60 marks. A seminar report consists of presentation. It includes the presentation and IA sessions, maybe in the form of multiple choice questions or quiz questions will be included. Based on the you are going to of 50 marks. 50 marks is divided into 55 marks for presentation, 55 marks for an answer, that is evaluation. And finally, these 50 marks is going to be reduced to the 20. This 20 is going to be added as a. So course internal examination, it includes seminar, it is 20 marks plus internal assessment marks, IA marks is 20. Total, it is 40 marks. And so you are required to note that all the tests which are going to as internal, it's mandatory, you may require. Clear? Any one of you reply. Okay.
Clear, sir.
Fine. So relevant to the course, the following reference material which you are going to refer: research methodology, methods and techniques, written by C.R. Kothari. It's these 2 textbooks most widely used for referencing by the most of the PhD research scholars. So those who are pursuing the PhD or they are doing the research, to before beginning of their research, they used to use this reference material like textbook as research methodology. In short form, we are calling a Kothari textbook. And the second textbook is a research methodology, Mukul Gupta, Deepa Gupta. So probably you might be able to see my this one screen, the book. Yes, research methodology. The second book, Mukul Gupta and Deepa Gupta. This is the another book of reference for research methodology. And web references are there, lots of nowadays. So you need not to worry about notes and all, presentation, content, everything. Most of the content which is available in the internet itself. Internet is a source of information. See the one, some web references I'm going to include it here for to ease of learning of this course. Right, so some of the scientific and reputed site, why I'm listed here. Suppose if I ask you to explore the scientific journals or the articles published in the reputed websites, right? If I ask, again you will start Googling, or you may use the Yahoo search engine. You will start Googling. See, lot of after doing the lot of search and research from my end, finally I am able to locate the following websites are the genuine for the latest scientific information which will be available in these websites. So because many websites are there, more than thousands of websites are there, they are claiming that ours is genuine, ours is so and so, we are such kind of website. No, all those things are the fake websites, are many are there. So instead of the, if I give an assignment to you, rather than going in search in a Google, directly you locate the following websites: IEEE explore.ieee.org, the Science Direct, Clarivate, it's a Web of Science group, Elsewhere, Nature, and Springer.com. All the scientific papers, the eminent scientists, research scholars who were genuinely done their work and published in these research websites. If I ask something about any particular research, directly you can look at rather than going with the Google search. It saves your lots of time. Okay, so these are the some web references related to the research, scientific research. The next slide gives the some data sets website. Yes, suppose if I ask Rupak or Darshan Kumar, suppose if I ask, choose your interested topic to contribute towards the society. If I ask Rupak,
yes sir,
what will be your title of the contribution towards the society?
Cyber security.
Cyber security. Okay, fine. You are chosen my area of work. Fine. Yes, cyber security you want to choose. So with respect to the cyber security, it is a broader term, right? In that cyber security, there is a lots of different splits are there. Cyber security is not just protecting a privacy, or not just preventing the data leakage, or not just catching the hackers, or not just it's a forensic science. It includes all information security. Also, it included cryptography and cryptanalytic also included, right? So privacy also included, social engineering is also included, Lots of things are there. Among these things, Rupak, which one you want to be narrowed down?
I didn't get you. Means which?
Cyber security, you told, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right.
In that cyber security, which area? Because you chosen cyber security as a
Yes, sir.
best domain. Among where, what you want to contribute, where you want to contribute. Either you want to work on privacy, or you work on confidentiality, or you work on availability concern, or you work on the data leakage. Where you want to work?
So maybe the security part means the data leakages.
Data leakages, yes. If you want to work on data leakages, obviously you require to protect some data centers, right?
Yes, sir.
So now, which data center you are targeted?
Data center.
Either financial domain, or the healthcare domain, or the educational domain,
I guess.
or the manufacturing domain.
I guess it will be a financial domain, sir.
Yeah, financial, or the this other ID like identification.
Yes, 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 sir. Identification also can be a priority.
Yes. So so for identification, fine. Personal identifiable information, we are calling it as a PII, personally identifiable information. So if we go with personally identifiable information, the data sets are required, right? Personally identified information is nothing but what? Your name is used to identify you. Date of birth is used to identify you. Other card information is identify you. Biometric information is identifies you, right? Address identifies you, right? Educational qualifications identifies you. Indirect parameters, right? Any financial like credit card or debit card transactions identifies you. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So you want to protect this one. For that, real-time data, anybody of the financial institutions allow you to access their data?
So with required permissions, I guess they.
Yeah, even after permission also, because you are an external entity to that organization, right?
Yes, sir.
So you are no way connected or concerned with them. So directly, if you ask someone like SBI, let us go with SBI, financial institution like bank, right? So
Yes, sir.
if you request, immediately they will alert you.
Oh, no, sir.
Because real-time customer data will be there with them. They will not supposed to allow you to access their data centers. Then to get that one, what you are required to do are the steps. Either you require to do creation of dummy data.
Yes, sir.
So it requires lot of efforts. Yes or no?
Right.
Right. And whatever you are experimenting that dummy data, that whether it is really is going to protect the real-time data or not, you will not come to know the conclusion. Getting my point? This is the one narrow downing our discussion here. So to obtain a data set, one is through by creating the dummy data set. It is required a lot of effort to create the suppose if you want to create the 10 million of users of the SBI replica of SBI users, obviously it required a lot of effort. The second one is through survey by providing the Google monkey survey or the Google Sheet link. You can create a survey. Again, there you require to do all the filtering jobs, missed out, you need to remove, and the completely filled up fields only you are going to consider. See, all these exercise you needs to do rather than doing again, putting again same effort again one more time. Rather than that, you can refer the websites, those provide the data sets for your research purpose, for your research use. They are providing the data sets. Some of the data sets which are open source, for research purposes, they are provided. The websites are nvd.nist.in, National Vulnerable Database for Cybersecurity. Okay, so kaggle.com. Kaggle.com is another dataset for data mining applications and data applications. The another website, these are all the national websites which will provide the open source data sets for you. Data.gov. Okay. And the National Digital Library, which is a Kharagpur website, NDL, you will get a lot of resources, information relevant to the scientific research as well as the educational use. Also, you will get the information. And as the principal was mentioned during the inauguration session, that massive open online courses, MOOC courses, from there also you can get a lot of resources with respect to your educational lead and professional development also. So the one which is site is atalacademy.aict. These are all the national websites which you can refer and learn the content for your future career developments. And the second one is mooc.org, nptel.ac.in, etc. and so on. This is the another set of material which help you to work on your research. Fine. The third set of materials, funding agencies. Yes, I am ready to work. Rupak is ready to work on data leakage prevention or data leakage detection systems. Suppose Rupak is a student of a research student. If he is a research student, suppose if he started working on that, because he is touching upon the financial institutions won't immediately allow the Rupak to access their data centers, right? To carry out the research, if the Rupak is not earning himself to survive his life, he is currently depending on the parents for any expenditure he is going to incur during his the student period, right? When Rupak is a research student, where he will get the income to do the research? Whether college will provide the funding or the faculty who is assisting you to provide the fund to carry out the research work, because it may end up with the specific solution. That solution might be used by your targeted institution, right? Targeted institution is going to get the benefit of your research work. So either they are going to fund you, or any research agencies which supports for student funding. All such kind of the websites I am listed here. So some of the websites which are listed here, these agencies which will provide the fund for the researchers. The one which is providing the fund for the researcher is actindia.org opportunity for the students projects. They will provide the research funds. The another second website, nitt.edu funding agency, will get an information about the funds which is going to, again there, because here in our classroom there are 8 or 9 students are present. So for them, if all the students are working on different context, some are working on image processing, some may working on the data processing, some may working on social engineering, some may of you are interested in internet of things, IoT kind of projects, some of you are interested in robotics, some. So different areas may you are going to choose depending on your passion and interest of contribution towards the societal needs. In that case, you cannot put your money to the research, because to survival itself you are dependent on your parents. Now you want to do research. If you want to do research, you need to ask the funding agency whether immediately they will give the funding agency will sanction the amount to you immediately when you apply for the funding. Rupak?
No.
Yes, sir.
No. So what they are expecting you actually, some proof of concept are the prototypes, right?
Authentication, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Pilot study. They are minimum requirement. They are expecting you that. Suppose if I give the 1,000 rupees to that student, whether he or she is going to properly utilize in their research for outcome based work. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So even if you ask your parent, definitely they will ask why you need that money. If your parent is asking why not the sponsoring agencies? Getting? So these are all the websites which help to get the sponsors from the sponsors to carry out your research. So better you make a note of all the websites. I did this research or the search for your quick reference. Okay. These are all the sum of the funding agency list provides the fund for to carry out and to take it forward your work and to provide the solution to the societal problems. Okay, these are again you can carry out these research work in India. So international based agencies also there, their expectation is high compared to the Indian agencies. So you can even collaborate. Suppose for example the one more student here, Darshan Kumar, he may be interested to contribute in IoT of things in automobile industry. Okay, so but he is a BCA student, he can contribute by writing the coding to IoT devices and all, but you don't know how to assemble the mechanical parts or automobile parts. In that case, he can do the collaborative work. He can ask the students who is learning in mechanical department and some of the students from electronics department combine, then they start working on a single project. Even for that collaborative projects also, the funding agencies are ready to provide the fund for your work. So some of the collaborative works you can here you can see the MeitY, Ministry of Electronics Information Technology.gov.in. It's again central government sponsoring agency. TIFR, Tata Institute for Research, Advanced Research, TIFR, NCBS, Atmanirbhar. Probably you are hearing this Atmanirbhar since from last 5 to 6 years. Modi government has launched this project to support the startups, the young new startups agencies, and the students who are willing to work on entrepreneurship. So those are the things supported in Atmanirbhar. So the SERB Online, SCRB, Scientific Engineering and Research Board, DBTC, TEP, DST, Department of Science and Technology, DST, CEFIPRA, etc. and so on. So many funding agencies, which I am given here, shortlisted one. It helps to get a fund from them. Before that, you require to build your prototype or the model, right, to obtain the fund and make it available to the public. Okay. So the reference material, slide 4. So one more is government website for innovation and challenges. Yes, once if your product is ready, now you are going to present that content to obtain prizes and accolades. So for that, innovation and challenges websites are available with the government. You can apply your project to go for competition at national as well as international level. These are the some of the websites, the government websites you can refer. Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. So recognition. Suppose if you are thinking that you whatever you done, that contribution is recognizable from the recognizing agencies, you can apply through this website rolex.org. And suppose if you want to file your the project which is uniquely done by you, there is no copy content in that. It's a original work done by you. If you want to protect your property, intellectual property, so then you can go with the patented websites like ipindia.nic, uspto.gov and EPO. So these are all the websites which helps to protect your intellectual property. And okay, so this is about the some of the reference material so far I have discussed, which helps to carry out your research work. Okay. So from next class onwards, I will go through the introduction and meaning of research, objective of research, motivation, what is the motivation behind the research, which are the types of research and research approaches, so and so. So gradually we are going to learn and will get an interest of learning towards the solving a specific targeted problem of a society. Okay, so any questions are there, let me know. You can ask the question. Any questions? Yes, Rupak, definitely I will share the links, everything, the material. Once the your module 1 teaching is completed, I will share the links definitely. It is for you only, I have prepared to help you out. Okay, definitely. Any other questions are there?
No, sir.
Attendance. Then
Present, sir.
so Anaga,
Present, sir.
Abhilash, Akhil, Then Akrut, Anusha, Arvind, Arvind, Akshay, Arifullah, Benaka, Bhanu Prakash, Bhargav, Chaitra, Rahmatullah,
Same, sir.
Chandana, Charan, Darshan, Diksha, Dakshayavini, Kishan, Harshit, Hemalata, Uma, Jayant, Divya,
Yes, sir.
Kaushik,
Yes.
Then, sir.
Lakshmi, Lavanya, Manish,
Present, sir.
Manoj, Mohit, Naval, Navya, Nikhil, Panindra, Pavan, Pooja, Purnima,
Yes, sir.
Raman, Rashmi, Sai Kumar, Samir, Shadab,
Yes, sir.
Sharan, Shashank, Sheetal, Shivani, Shashmita, Soumeshri, Spurti, Sushmita, Tirtha, Trupti, Varsha,
Yes, sir.
Veena. Thank you. If any questions are there, let me know.
Sir,
I will-
my name. Sir,
Yes,
you missed my name. Sir, you missed my name.
Sugandhini.
Yes, sir.
Sugandhini, yes. Fine. As early as possible, join for the offline classes. Okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.